Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to convert PDFs to videos with Video GPT by VEED AI. Let's be honest, do you really think that your team reads those long and boring PDFs manuals? Spoiler alert, they don't. But what if you could turn them into engaging videos instantly? Let me show you how using Video GPT by VEED AI. So start by clicking the attach button and choosing your PDFs. You can use any document that you need. Then display the AI generated script and question prompts. Once uploaded, the Video GPT will ask you a few questions to tailor your video. Be as detailed as possible for the best results. Then you can pick a male or a female AI narrator or even use an AI avatar to present the content. Customize your preferences and Video GPT will generate a script and a video preview. And now it's time to personalize. In Vid's editor, you can replace stock footage with company visuals, edit subtitles like font, color, and size, and add the company logo for branding. And and once you're happy with the video, hit export and choose your render settings and download your final MP4. And did you know that people retain 95% more when watching a video compared to reading a text? So why stick to PDFs when you can create impactful videos effortlessly? Try the Video GPT today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your suggestions below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.